Hi, this is Jackie Kiadii, Microsoft Certified Trainer. Today's tip I am going to share with you was one I shared with the folks in my Excel immersion class this week. They found it extremely helpful, so I thought I'd make a video about it. Have you ever found yourself in a position where you received a workbook from someone with functions in them and you weren't sure what the functions were or how they worked? You can use this tip to help you increase your knowledge and basically, troubleshoot the function. So what you need to do is click the cell that has the function and then simply click this FX next to the formula bar. What that does, it is brings up the function wizard box and it will show you the name of the function, all of the arguments you need to supply to the function. Any argument you see in bold is required. Anyone you see that's not bolded is optional. It'll explain what the function does. And then as if that's not enough, if you need additional help, click the hyperlink where you will be taken to a web page that not only explains the function, but it also might give you some sample data for you to practice on your own. That works well if you have a cell that just has one function in it. But what if you have a situation like this where you have several nested functions and your intent is not to investigate the outer function, but some of the nested functions? Doing that is very simple. All you do is click in that nested function before you hit the FX, and you'll end up evaluating that function. If you don't do it, if you simply click the cell and hit the FX, what you're going to end up doing is evaluating the outer function. I hope this was helpful. And if it was, I would appreciate knowing about it in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching.